Welcome to Chaos Player, our new advanced image sequence player designed specifically for fast playback of your rendered sequences. Today, we'll look at some of the features artists will find particularly useful. With a simple drag and drop, you can load your 8 or floating point multi-channel sequences. Set a specific LUT gamut or make use of an ACES workflow. 2 workspace modes are available: Classic for editing and Playback for reviews. You can use the play buttons or just scrub the cursor in the viewport. With the brush layer, you can mark up specific areas. You can also pick the preferred color and set the size and softness from the Layer Properties window or directly in the viewport by holding the Control key. You can type specific comments or use text field references listed on the doc's webpage. Move the text layer to the preferred position by holding the Shift key. Save your composition for additional tweaks or future updates. Zoom in and out by scrolling and scrubbing, or set your own presets. The built-in comparison tool gives you a variety of ways to compare the look and feel of your sequence. Want to render your whole composition of layers as an image sequence or video file? Simply match your footage's resolution to the mask and render your final footage. Chaos Player offers a fast and powerful way for you to set up a quick edit of your sequences and share it with colleagues easily and reliably.